We're going to do another example of composite functions. And the question says, given that fx equals 5 plus 2x and gx equals 2x minus 1, find gf of x. This time we're substituting f into function g. Remember, composite functions is just substitution with algebra. So we're going to write, this time we're going to write the function g with a space. So function g equals 2 times by the empty space minus 1, and in that empty space we'll go the function f, which is 5 plus 2x. So our second step will be to substitute into there. Fx, or substitute function f into function g. Okay, that's what it means. G is what's being substituted into. So the composite function is going to be 2 times by definition for f, which is 5 plus 2x minus 1. Then we're going to expand that with the 2 on the outside. So we're going to simplify. So we're going to end up with 10 plus 4x minus 1. And then that's just going to be 9 plus 4x, or 4x plus.